Hello, this video tutorial is to help you use Google Scholar to find articles for your research. So, in order to get to this page, you will type in this address in your search bar, scholar.google.com, and you'll be taken to this page where you can type in your keywords for your search. In this case, I'm going to type in ebooks. You'll be taken to a list of articles that discuss ebooks or focus on the topic of ebooks. And once you find an article that you are interested in looking at, you can go ahead and click on the title of the article to be taken to the page, which then you may sign into depending on your access to be able to have access to the original article. It's a very simple process, and I hope that you found this video tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.